Hi everybody, nice to see you all. Welcome to one more beautiful, nice, interesting session of the free structured virtual training organized by the Dream Runners. I would like to thank my title sponsors, Hexaware Technologies, for supporting us for the second year. And I would also like to thank Fionis for doing a wonderful job. Thank you, Anu. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Mohanapriya. You guys are doing a good job getting people to be more fitter, more energetic. And thank you all for logging in and getting benefited by this training. I hope we continue to get fitter and more healthier. All the best. Anu, it's all yours.
Thank you. Thank you, Rajiv. Hope you're all ready. Yeah, get set. I could see that. All kind of scenes are there. Beach, terrace, sky. Good. Good morning, guys. This is Anu and Sarah from Fionis. We are all ready for the workout to give you workouts to do along with you. Hope all of you are ready. Good. Let's start with the warm-up. First, seal jack. Similar to jumping jacks, you just have to bring your hands to the front and back. That's it. Keep jumping. If you find it difficult, take one leg after the other. That's fine. Just keep moving. Keep it on, guys, just for 25 seconds. Up, 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 up. Whoever is doing inside the house, wake up all your neighbors. Enough of sleeping, right? Keep going. Last 10 seconds. Up, up, up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. The next one is butt kick. Take your leg back and kick it up. Faster. Faster. Like a running. Up, 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 up. If you're comfortable, do it faster. Otherwise, take it one after the other. Up, 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 up. It's just a warm up. Let's pump up some blood. Keep going. Last few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. The next is front raise, knee raise. Take your knees to your chest without bending forward. Only the lower body has to go up. Take it up faster, swift. Up, 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 up. Keep moving. Let's open the hip. Keep it on, keep it on. Few more seconds. Let all the muscles get warmed up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. The next warm up is to activate your hip rotation. Move the hip, have your legs comfortably wider, and then keep rotating the hip. Same direction, continue with the same direction. Go around, front, side, and back. Go around nicely. Slow and steady. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now reverse, reverse, reverse. Clockwise and now anti-clockwise. Good, good. This activates your hip muscle. Keep it going. Few more seconds. Up, up, up. Last 10. 3, 2, 1. Relax. The next one is elbow rotation. Till your elbows. Keep it like a robo. And then keep rotating only the forearm as well as the wrist. Only the second part of your hand. Go around, it activates your upper back as well. Keep it going only in the same direction. Not only the wrist, the full forearm. Yeah, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now reverse. Same way till elbows. Keep it straight. Don't move it. Rest of the arms. 5, 4, elbow straight. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Relax, relax. Breathe. We are done with the warm up. Hope you're all ready. Your body is all set for the workouts. We'll be doing the workout, showing you the demo with variations. Please watch, listen, and then do along with us. The first one is loading to unloading beast. Come on to fours, all fours. Your animal position, your toes, your knees, your palm on the ground. And now take your knees off the ground, go back, and then come forward. As you come forward, you have to travel, your shoulder has to travel beyond your wrist. As you go back, try to take your hip towards your heel. But throughout the process, ensure your knee is off the ground. Whoever finds it difficult, you can rest your knees, go back, and come forward. As you're coming forward, you can lift your knees. Okay? Try this variation as well. Loading to unloading beast. Ready? We will be doing it for 40 seconds and 20 seconds break. Ready, guys? Position on the mat. 3, 2, 1. Start. Start from fours. Go back with your knees off. Don't sag your hip down. Your body parallel to the ground. Ensure your shoulder is traveling beyond your palm. Slow and steady. No rush. Go back as much as you can without moving your hands. Come forward where you have to cross your palm. Slow, slow and steady. Do it slowly. Very good. Go back as much as you can. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Relax, relax. We have started with the animal flow with a beast. Rotate your wrist. Relax your hands. Get ready for the second round of loading to unloading beast. Ready? Position on the mat. Start with the fours, all fours. 3, 2, 1. Start. Don't raise your hip too high. At the same time, don't sag your hip as well. Just ensure your body is parallel to the ground. Travel beyond your palm by extending your knees. Halfway through. Super. Keep it going. Let's be a beast for some time. Keep it on, keep it on. It improves your shoulder level as well. It strengthens it. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax, relax. Shake your hands. Rotate your wrist. Stay there on the mat. We have one more round to go. Ready, guys? Throughout the process, ensure you are breathing. Don't hold your breath. Ready? Position on the mat. 3, 2, 1. Start. Don't pass the workout. Don't take big breaks in between. Try to continue and complete this 40 seconds. Then only it will be beneficial for you. Keep it going. Very good. Travel across your palm. Throughout the process, ensure your knee is off the ground. Very good. Keep it on. Keep it on. In all this, keep your core tight. Slow and steady. 3, 2, 1. Relax. 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 Breathe. Breathe. Lay down on the mat. Facing up. Extend your legs. Keep your hands on the side. Now raise both leg up to 90 degrees and then keep crossing the leg. Come near the ground, but without touching the ground, go back. You have to keep crisscrossing the legs. Falling scissor. Ensure you don't touch the ground. Others, if you find it difficult, you can keep your knees folded and then continue to do the scissor. And once you reach the ground, you can touch the ground for a very minimal second and then come up again. You can have your knees bent. Based on your comfort, choose whichever suits you, go along with it. Ready, guys? On the mat, facing up, hands and legs on the position. 3, 2, 1. Start. Falling scissor. Crisscross your leg. Come down, come down. Keep crossing the leg and come down before you could touch the ground. Again, go up. Keep breathing. If you want, you can take your hand behind your hip for a support, minimal support. Keep it going, 25 seconds up. Don't have your leg always up. You have to travel down. Good. Before you could reach down, take it up. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax, relax, breathe. Stretch your hands and legs. Make the best use of this 20 seconds of rest. Ready? Second round of falling scissors. And your time starts now. Up, 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 up. All these workouts are designed in such a way that everybody can do it. So please give it a try. Don't pass any workout. This will be a value addition for your running. 25 seconds up, guys. Super. Keep going. Keep crossing your leg. Slow and steady. Small steps. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Relax, relax, breathe. Stretch your leg and relax always. Breathe. Get your breathing into control. Relax. Let's do the last round of falling scissor. Ready, guys? Bring all the energy. 3, 2, 1. Go. Up, up, up. Keep going. 15 seconds up. Very good. I could see all of you doing without the break. That's awesome. Just keep going. That's all. Pull on the energy. Almost there. Very good. Few more seconds. Bring it up. Bring it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Superb. All of you are successfully completing the workouts. Let's move on to the other one. First, relax. Watch the demo. Bear shoulder tap. This is yet another animal flow. Get on to fours. This is the basic position for any animal flows. All fours, your toes, your knees, your palm has to be on the ground with your back straight. Now lift your knees off the ground. We are not going to move anywhere. In the same place, we are going to tap our shoulders by lifting one hand, reaching out to the opposite shoulder. Keep alternating. If you find it difficult to reach to the shoulder, then slightly take the hand off the ground. Slightly off the ground, because the whole body weight will be on single hand and toes. So you should be able to manage it. Ready, guys? Position. Super. Good. All fours. Take your knees off the ground, and then only I'm going to start the timing. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. Start. Keep tapping your shoulder. Opposite shoulder. Right hand to left shoulder. Left hand to right shoulder. Keep tapping. Don't raise your hip. Keep your core tight. Keep your abs tight. At the same time, keep breathing. Good. Keep it on. Keep it on. You're trying to strengthen your shoulders. At the same time, activate different muscle groups in the body. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Relax, relax. Stay there. After this workout will be a water break, so don't go for water now. Stay there on the mat. Hope you're all with the mat. Don't hurt your knees. Don't hurt your toes. Ready, guys? Second round of bear shoulder tap. Let's become a bear for some time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up. Knees off the ground. Keep tapping your shoulder. One side after the other. Keep it going. Keep it going. There are all minor variations, but still it attacks different muscle groups in the body. That's the reason we keep giving you creative workouts. Just try to follow. Good to see all of you are doing it. Last 5 seconds. Super. Keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, relax, relax. We just have one more round to go of this. Rotate your wrists, relax your hands, and then get ready to give your best on the last round of the bear shoulder tap. Ready? Position. All fours and take your knees off the ground. 3, 2, 1. Up. Keep tapping. Otherwise, just take the hand off the floor. Don't take your knees too much away. It has to be closer to the ground. Just 1 or 2 inches maximum. That's it. 25 seconds up. Then only the tension will build and your muscle will start working. Up, up, up. Come on, don't give up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Super, guys. We are successfully done with the first half of the workout. Go for a quick water break and come back. If you don't want water, relax and be on the mat.
Welcome back. Let's move on to the next workout, which is sumo crunch. Just split your legs wide, wider stance, crunch. Okay. Just watch and lift your knees and touch your elbows. So don't try to bring your elbow down. Try to lift your legs if possible, as much you can. Split your legs wide, sumo stance, and then you are crunching by lifting your knees towards your elbows and try to touch your knee to your elbow. Yeah, little awkward, but very useful in strengthening your inner thighs, as well as it will have impact on your obliques. Okay, we'll get on with it. 40 seconds and 20 seconds of rest. For the beginners, they have to just lift their legs in the sumo position. Don't have to crunch, but try to lift it. Okay. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Keep your torso straight. Very good. Most of you are doing it very easily. Abs tucked in. Tuck in your abs. You can spread your legs wider if possible, as much as wider. And don't sway your head, only the hand. Body has to be straight. Head doesn't move. Head has to be straight. Yes, look straight. Good. 30 seconds up. Only 10 more seconds. Balance, balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Try to keep your back straight. Abs tucked in. Get ready for the next round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Very good. Lift it up as much you can. Great. Some of you have very good range of motion. Very good. Yes. Good. Very good. 30 seconds up. Only 10 more seconds. Keep moving. Nice. Keep moving. Keep moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. We have done 2 rounds of this and 1 more to go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Last round. Sumo crunch, last round. Lift it up as high as possible. Balance yourself and come down. More variations in the exercise will challenge all muscles and give you more benefit. Keep moving. Good. Only 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Great. We have done 3 rounds of this. Now we'll move on to the next one, which is relatively easier. So lie on your back, lie on your tummy. Extend both your arms forward. Now pull your hand back as much you can. Your elbow should touch your hips and then take it forward. Now while going forward, don't touch your palms or hands to the ground. Keep moving back and forth and keep your legs up. If possible, lift your thighs as well. Right? So you are pulling your elbows behind This is a very good exercise for your upper back. And when you are lifting your legs, it also supports your lower back. A good back strengthening exercise, which is important for developing your core. For the beginners, you can rest your knees down, stretch, and then again while going forward, you can touch down, and then again lift your hand, come back, touch down. So when you're doing this, try to lift your legs also, and while going back, touch down. So that small pause will give you more comfort for the beginners. Others, without letting your hand or feet touching to the ground, keep repeating the pull. Okay, 3 rounds of it, 40 seconds. Get set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Look down. Very good. Don't touch the ground. Arms not to touch the ground. Elbows. Your elbows should touch the hip. While going back, touch your elbows to the hip as much you can. Squeeze it. 10 more seconds. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Don't lift your elbow up while going back. Should be as close to the ground as possible, but not touch the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Second round of Superman pull. Lift your legs up. Ensure your thighs are up. Very good. Don't lift your elbows. Elbows should be scraping the ground. Some of you are lifting your elbows. Yes. Very good. Palms are moving front and back. 30 seconds up. 10 more seconds. Keep moving. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. As part of core strengthening, back is also important. Once your back supports your core will stabilize better while you're running. Get ready for the last round of Superman pull. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Good. Keep moving. Good. 30 seconds up. Only 10 more seconds. Keep moving. Last round of Superman pull. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Good. Most of you did well. Now we have the last workout of the day. Interesting one, which will make you more active. So you have to do walkout. Raise both your arms. Come down. Walk out. And then come up. Burpees. Walk back. And lift. Once again, go down. Come to the plank position. Bring both your legs towards you. Take it back. And walk back. And get up. So the beginners, go down. Come to the plank. Lift one leg after the other. Retract one after the other. Slowly walk back and get up. Right? So only for the beginners, you don't have to jump with both the legs. Others, do all kind of jumping and try to do as fast as possible. Speed and jump. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Walk out. Verb. Very good. Move, 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 move. Do as fast as possible. Don't think. Speed it up. Full body workout. Very good. 30 seconds up. Only 10 more seconds. Show some speed. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Let's count the number of repetitions you do in this round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Okay, 1 done. Come on. 2 done. 3 done. Catch up, catch up. 4 done. Speed. 5 done. Only 5 more seconds. Come on. 6 done. And we'll do only one more. Last one. Relax. 7 done. 7 done. Last repetition. We are going to do 8 numbers. This is the last repetition, last workout. So refresh yourself. Final workout, final repetition. You have to do 8 numbers. Do as fast as possible. Don't wait. We will wait for you if you're not completing 8. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. 8 numbers. Anu has completed 1. He has completed 2, 3. Very good. Come on. Nice. 4. Move it fast. 5, 6. 2 more for her. Last one for her. We will wait for the others to complete. 8 is must. Don't worry. Even if you're slow, that is okay. We'll wait for you. If you're on video, we'll be able to assist you. Otherwise difficult. Very good. Most of you have done. Still few of them are doing. We'll wait for them. Complete. Those who haven't done, complete. We'll wait. Looks like most of you have done. Good. So that completes our workout of the day. Let's get onto the mat to do some stretching. First stretching is shoulder rollover. Come to the plank position. Go down fully. Extend both your arms. Okay. Turn on one side. The other arm should be beneath your body. Just watch. This is the starting position. Move around and try to lift your legs. and stamp the feet. It is difficult to understand, but watch carefully. We'll again do one more demo. Some of you are struggling. Just watch, split your legs, split your hands wide, turn to one side, palm facing downwards. And now twist your torso. Very good. Now most of you are doing good. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Other side. Try to twist yourself. Twist. Yes. Move your legs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one is knee hug. Just lie on the mat. Take the right or left, any one leg. Hold it very tight towards your chest. Pull it. Hold it tight. It'll relax your glutes. Change. Hold it as close to the chest as possible. Other leg should be straight. Don't bend your other knee. Change. Now bring both the knees towards the chest. Hug it tightly. And now rock and roll. Lift your torso. Try to give some massage to your lower back by raising up and down. Rocking. Hold your knees closely, tightly. Relax. We'll do some cobra. Cobra pose. Look up. Relax. Last one, child pose with your knees apart. Knees away from each other. Bend down. Forehead on the ground. Relax. Have a nice day. Hope you enjoy.
Hope you enjoyed the workout with us. All are doing great. Good one.
Yes, ma'am.
So we it's time for a click. Anybody from that side doing it?
Yes, Anu, yeah, we're ready.
Okay, great. Yeah. Countdown. 3.
More videos on, please. Okay, great. Smile, cheers. Great.
Done?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you guys. Have a good day.
Thank you.